welcome again. It's nice to be back live. Hi. Where's my viewers now? I'm back again live. Hi everyone. Hello. I'm here again in front of the camera. I miss you guys. Hello Russell. Hi. Why you don't reply me on your Insta? I am Mother Fidel. Hi. Please like and comment, and also to those who don't yet subscribe, please help me guys to reach my 100k subscriber before my birthday. My birthday is coming May 4. It's coming May 4. I am 42 years young. So how are you? Hi Jomarito Ding. Hi Eve. This is your host, Naomi Single Mom's Brag. I hope you subscribe. Wow. Yes, Amado Fadega. This is just a short live, guys. Hello, shall we to Russell Roger? Hi, Ma'am Lods. Kumusta pa siya? Ma'am to Kogtong Kandihay, Bohol, Advance Happy Fiesta. Hello, Pambo. Yes. Fiesta is coming in Bohol on May. Long time no see. It's Nam Kolani. Because I can't live every night. Ako is taga Dapitan, Bisaya, Mindanao. Hi, Amin. Hello. Shall we? Hi, Marco Denver. Hello. Shall we? Only 69 viewers. Please share my live by share and comment down. So, oh yes, no. What's you mean by oh yes, no? I don't know why. When I'm in front of the camera, I feel like sleepy. Let's say, ilan pala anak mo? Isa lang, lalaki. Yes, ma'am, because very busy sa work, ma'am. Start May 1, ma'am. Fiesta in Bohol until May 31. Yes. My friend said that if I want to go to Bohol next month because so many fiesta. I know the Bohol is so expensive to. Kung di lang ako na-demonetize sa YouTube, baka punta sana ako doon. Kaso, hindi pa mobile. My monetization is not yet okay for now. I'm just on June. So hot. My son not get fever. Fever